Hello guys, I'm making this video to just to represent my software whatever I have built. Hmm, there is a project assigned to us just to build a software on different patterns, and I was assigned as iterator pattern. So I built a software for restaurant billing system with full database support. Database with what I have used is XAMPP server, under which MySQL is there. So I'll just demonstrate how my software works, and I'm just after watching this video. If you watch this video, please give me the fruitful feedback, whatever you have, so that I can implement that to make it better. Let's start. First of all, there are three buttons on the start screen. You can see first is synopsis. So synopsis is there. So if I click on synopsis, I'll get a synopsis view here, where I have defined what is iterator pattern and what kind of items can be ordered through iterator pattern. The requirements were given to me by the professor that a software should have ordering the items, and it should have database development for order items, click based ordering system, bill generation, GUI development, and dashboard for better experience of the admin. Dashboard is also used for generation of reports and everything. So this is how synopsis looks like. And if I click on close, then moving to the next thing is diagrams are very important to build software, such as UML diagrams are there. So class diagram and sequence diagrams, just two diagrams were asked to made after before building the software. So I have submitted the diagram before, and then based on those diagram I have to build the software. I have to code the software accordingly. So it's an industrial practice and I have to implement that. So if I click on diagrams, uh, first of all you will see that there is a class diagram. So these all the class diagram and their relationship, attributes, methods, and everything is there. So if I click on back, it will get back to you on the iterator screen. And if I again click on diagrams, and if I click on next, it will get back to you sequence diagram. A sequence diagram is basically just to show you how the interaction of the user with the different steps of the software, different activity of the software uh, is processed. So if you have the user, how the user will interact to the software. So if the user is an employee, then it will interact to the software through user, then login page, then restaurant, then restaurant, through restaurant it will send message to order system, and then receipt. If the user is a admin, then it will directly get back to you on the admin page, and the admin will perform the operation, and operation will have the receive message. If I click on next, it will get back to you on the iterator screen just to start the software. And if I click on diagrams again, and if I click on next, previous, then it will get back to you on the class diagram screen. So this is how the diagrams and synopsis work. And now let's start the software. So to start the software, you have to click on start. So if I click on start, there is a login screen. Login screen will include two types of IDs. One is for employee ID. Employee ID can be multiple, and one is admin ID. So if you click on admin ID, then it will get to you on the, once you click on login, filling the details of the admin, it will get to you on the admin screen, where you can perform different operations, such as, and also get the analysis report of the software. And if you click on if you add like fill details of the employee, then it will get back to you the ordering system. So first of all I'll fill details of the employee. So E101, and again password. So if I click on login, I will get to this screen where you have number of 5 items for veg and 5 for non-veg, and this is the price where the every item's price will be shown. This is a total. Once you click on total, total is there. Once you click on receipt, receipt will be generated. I'll demonstrate it right now. So you have to fill the mobile number. If you fill the mobile number, then you will get a message. uh, I'll I'll I have included SMS HTTP protocol, and also I built a internal server to send a message to the user, and I'll just share an image with you once I get the message for the this particular order, and I'll share the image with this video so that you can better understand how the message protocol works. So like if I fill my mobile number here, 90823779777. So this is my mobile number. You can see that this is my mobile number, and once I click on, just to check that whether all fields are working correct or not, sorry, I will enter 1 1. This field contains the quantity, in how much quantity you want to order. 1 1. Similarly here, 1 1 1 1 and 1. So if I click on that and click on checkbox thali meal is 130 rupees, veg biryani, then sabji meal, then veg platter, then paneer platter, and this 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 this. So you can see every field is working here. Now click on total. Total button is there just to confirm that whether this order is feasible or not, or you want to add some quantity or delete some quantity, so that we can use. So I have created a total button here. If I click on receipt, the receipt of all the orders has been generated here. So you can print this receipt, and similarly in a general system how it works, that's how it will also work. And now I'll show you how the database has been updated with this all this. So I'll open localhost, since it is working on localhost PHP my admin server. Click on restaurants, then you can see admin table is there, login user is there. So if I click on login user, you can see E101 and E101 are the two username and password which has been fetched from the database just to match whether the user login exists or not. And if I click on order placed, then you can see order placed, last order placed is veg biryani, which is of 130 rupees. So this is the last order placed. And if I click on user, then users are there. If I click on customer info, so I have ordered this thing last. You can see, you can match this thing that my total money is 1310, and my mobile number is, so last entry is 1310, through which you can generate the analytics report that which customer has actually ordered maximum time or maximum amount, so that you can generate a graph, and accordingly you can make policies for the development for further business increments. So this is how the database works for it. And if I click on reset, the reset button will reset all things, and click on exit. So this is the exit for employee. And now I'll get back to you to the admin panel, like how admin panel works. So if I, like, you can see admin ID is given here. So you can see that, sorry, you can see that A101 and A101 are the admin ID and passwords. So A101, let's check it whether it is working for 102 or not. A102, if I click on login, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because there should be a message for it. I'll just show you. There should be a message. It doesn't work. So you have to enter again correct login ID and password, A101 and A101, and you can click on login. So once you click on login, and this is how your login panel looks like. So login panel will have the, if you want to get the prices from the database, that how much price is there for every item, you can click on get price. So you can see that thali meal is 130, and every item with the price is represented here. You can click on operations just to change the price and everything. So before that, I'll generate bar graph and pie chart of that. So if you click on pie chart, you will have the pie chart. You can see here, if I move down the cursor, so you can see thali meal is contributing 10% to the revenue with 130 rupees. 130 rupees. And if I click on bar graph, this bar graph is order placed versus this bar graph is order placed versus items versus order placed. So the maximum order placed is non-veg biryani item, which is the maximum order placed item till now. So you can generate, that's how you can generate the bar graphs. So I can close this, and I'll just show you how the operations are performed within this. So if I click on operations, I'll just minimize it. If I change, look, one sec, I have to maximize it. So if you like, you can see here that if I click on get price, sorry, one sec. If I click on get price, that is the get price. And once I click on operations, if I enter, that is the catalog ID for every item, that is 101 for thali meal, 101, price is 130. Here I will just increase it to 150, and I'll update. So now I click on get price, that is 101, 130. So 130 is there. So for 130 it has been done. So 130 it has changed to 150 thali meal. So insert is working. Now I'll show you the pie chart. If I click on pie chart, that pie chart will show you prices 11% and 150. So the pie chart will be generated here. Similarly, the bar graph will follow everything. So just exit this and perform some more operations regarding database. Exit. I have exited. So regarding this, I have to perform some more operations regarding database. So for adding the user or employee, if you get to the users table, you will get that the last entry ID is 501, So I'll enter 511 511 and employee ID I'll enter E111, password I'll enter E111, salary I'll enter 100, just 100, and if I insert it, like I have inserted it, so you can see that I'll refresh the table. So that is my incremented user. So user panel is working, and if I want to delete the user, I have to give the user ID, which is 511, and username, which is E111. And if I delete the user, and if I click on users, you can see the user is deleted. So this is how the software works, and the best thing I could say is that the analytics report has been generated. The further if you further version the software and increase some more functionality to it, then you can generate, with the one click you can generate the whole sales data report, and including bar graphs, pie chart, line chart, everything, and with the proper set of report, that how much inventory, how much investment you have done, how much profit you have earned, and how you will grade the employees, and how you will grade which employee has done maximum sales, which has done minimum sales, and also which customer has purchased maximum time, so that you can give rewards to that customer. So it will be beneficial for the business use. That's how my software is. And so if you watch this video, please suggest some fruitful feedback so that I can implement that. And thanks for watching.